Network Entertainment.
Anong may papayo nyo sa consumers natin? Jen, simulan mo.
So for people who always, so some people actually come to us. I think one of the issues is that say, hindi ko naman alam na may exclusive distributor dito eh. Ganyan. Well, guys, sorry, in a time of social media, there's really no excuse to not know.
Okay, so this episode of Tunay na Rider was initially supposed to be called Boo Smugglers and Fakes.
Okay.
But now, ano ba yung pangalan ng episode na to? There was another one,
Basta iba.
na hindi pasado kay JC. So, the other episode title was 50 Shades of Grey.
Shames.
50 Shames of Grey.
Okay, gray market ba yan?
Ayun. So, tunay pa. I think
Okay.
that's more brand-friendly
Yes.
Yes. So,
title for the episode.
And it's on brand with your podcast.
Correct. And so, we're going to be talking about why you should buy from legitimate, tax-paying importers and distributors. And why you shouldn't get it from yung mga parallel imports, yung mga gray market.
Yung mga nanunulot, ganyan. Di ba? Ng
Yung mga
benta.
Facebook marketplace.
Parang may hugot ka, King.
So, yun. So, yun. Gray market is everywhere. I mean, it's hard to say whether it's gray market, but in the platforms that are selling online, medyo nagiging porous na yung mga distribution, no? So it's not, there's a lot of definitions out there. Pero before we jump into it, no, I'll introduce muna sila Boss Nino.
Hello, good evening.
Kasalanan ni Boss Nino yung episode na to, no? Because it is really, I have brands, no? Like Pop Socket, Otterbox. So feel namin, hindi lang gray market, yung mga fakes. And how do you add value? So that's kind of what we'll be going into. So, Boss Nino, baka introduce yourself and then we'll go to JC and then Jen.
Yes. So good evening, I'm Nino Suarez. So I'm the president and founder of Top It Adventure. So we are the exclusive distributor of Lobo products. Jado, and right now we have a new brand. Hindi pa siya totally closed, but it's XTXC. So so later on malalaman natin yung mga brands na yun. So
exciting.
very interesting,
JC.
Yeah. All right. Good evening, everyone. I am JC from Ride United. I'm handling the marketing for all of our brands. So, good evening.
Ano yung mga brands? May suot mo yung
Andali,
top.
I brought
May kodigo.
And so, when it comes to dealing with legit and authorized products, these brands are really the proof of what effort and work that we put in to keep them and to give them to our customers at the end of the day.
Okay, and then of course Jen.
Yes. So good evening, everyone. I'm Jen from PIA. Not just PIA. So our company, Wido Marketing, is the exclusive distributor for several. We started as car accessory brands, so that includes PIA. We're also the distributor for C-Tech, for Little Trees, the car fresheners, also for Sonax car care products,
Yung mga wax,
JBL
no?
car audio. So several automotive and transport-related brands. So this topic has been talked about for so long, and we're glad to be invited back.
problema nyo na noon pa, kumbaga.
Actually, it's not a new problem for us. Yes, it's an ongoing process.
Let's take
Ikaw, ano brand mo? Sabihin mo na.
yung akin, not safe for work. No, so, maybe we can take a step back as to what... hold on, I lost my train of thought. Buti na lang podcast to.
Sige lang, basta isipin mo lang, basta ako, kinakain ko yung walang gray market dito.
Yeah.
Yung Lucky Yogurt.
Lucky Yogurt.
Oo, nag-iisang cultured probiotic dito
Mahirap
sa Pilipinas.
i-gray market yan.
Oo, matindi to. Kaya sige lang, kwentuhan lang kayo, kain ako. De, iba. I guess, unahin natin yung tanong na ano. Sa mga bisita natin dito, what's the hardest part of having parallel importers? Unahin na natin si Jen kasi tagal na nila sa sa pagninegosyo ng o pagdi-distribute eh.
So I think the most challenging part of having parallel and gray market importers is that for the consumer, it's very hard for them to tell the difference.
Yeah.
That's one. So hard to tell the difference, which means that if they don't get it from an exclusive distributor, so they assume that whatever product they get of that brand can be serviced, can be warranted.
Yeah.
They'll
Ayun.
get all the after sales benefits.
Lalo na, Jen, electronics to mga to, no? Paano
Oo.
pag may napundi o hindi gumagana?
Correct.
Tapos maghahanap ng warranty sa inyo pagalit, ganun ba yun?
Oo. Parang minsan sabihin na, kayo yung distributor eh. So, hindi ba dapat na everything na nabili namin here in the Philippines comes from you? So, this goes for any kind of electronic products, any kind of, actually, even gear, even other products that you carry. That goes with it eh. Kasi everyone thinks that we say, exclusive distributor kami. So mahanap nila tayo sa Google, mahanap nila tayo sa social media. They'll contact us, they bought it. Dito naman sa Pilipinas na bili yan eh. So bakit hindi nyo pwede service? It says here that you're the Philippine distributor.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of misleading factors that comes with purchasing from a parallel importer. Kasi, diba? Just to add to that kasi, sometimes parallel importers, they buy it from another country. Legit.
Exactly,
Real
yeah.
product. Legit product.
Orig.
Authentic. Orig naman. Binili nila say in Japan, in Hong Kong, in Singapore, right? And they
Yeah.
bring it here. But I think what the public, the consumer doesn't know is that every distributor handles a specific territory.
Exactly.
So if you buy it from another country and you bring it here, the distributor in your country that is not necessarily authorized to service a product that comes from another region kasi hindi nila scope na yun, 'di ba? Yun.
Okay, so I remember what my question is. Okay, no, pero going to what you said, no, like we bring in yung mga OtterBox cases, we distribute in malls,
Uy, bumili ako
and
Naka-otterbox
one of
ako.
Oo nga, iba kailangan ko din.
it's pricey. It's
Yeah.
not cheap.
Mahal,
No, it's
actually.
about $4,000.
Yep.
But the reason we're able to push it is parang we have warranty, no
Yeah.
questions
Exactly.
asked.
Yeah. And actually, parang when I was preparing for this podcast, parang one thing na I realized na sometimes the cheapest price is not always the cheapest cost, diba? Kasi
Yeah.
when you buy legit, when you go through the authorized distributor, you're not just getting a product eh. You're really getting that whole quality of relationship kasi you get that ecosystem na may support, may service, may accountability. For me, that's a big thing. As a distributor, you're accountable that the customer
Yeah.
gets the value of his. Well, I treat it as an investment.
May
Especially
mananagot
for the-
kumbaga kung may
Yeah.
problema.
Yeah, and not even to the point na na problema kaagad yung gusto nating i-deal with. It's more of getting the customers kasi people buy experiences eh. Diba? That's why they like your brand because they want to experience what the brand promised. Diba? And an authorized distributor is accountable na they give that experience.
So, Boss Nino, since this is your idea, ano yung and I don't know if you have different definitions now. How do you define gray market? How do you define parallel imports as opposed to what you guys do?
Well, so yun nga. So for us kasi since we are the exclusive distributor, so we are directly dealing with the head office or the headquarters.
Yung
So
principal
we are,
yan.
Yeah, the principal. So we are the authorized distributor. And as Jen mentioned, it's our territory. Philippines are our territory. So ganoon naman eh. So meron ding mga distributors sa Thailand, sa Malaysia, sa Indonesia, Japan, Singapore. So lahat yan meron eh. And I think what other businessmen here are doing, yung mga hindi masyadong legit, is they are trying to order from another country and that particular distributor naman, nagbibigay rin sa kanila.
Siguro boss ninyo, no, nakakuha ng malaking sale dahil bulto bumili. Tapos, sige, pagkakakitaan ko to, mababawi ko sa profit margin to pag pinakawalan ko to dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah. So ganun yung nagiging problema ngayon. So I really don't know.
So are they bringing it in legally? Is it smuggled? Are they getting
Well,
yung mga-
as ang narinig ko, ang
does it,
iba
does it, does it
ginagawa
supply
is
Al-Qaeda? Yung-
I think ang ginagawa ng iba is they will order bulk doon sa distributor, pero the way it is being brought here is hiwa-hiwalay. So parang halimbawa, kayo lahat,
Balikbayan
kayo lahat,
box.
address mo, hatiin ko yon para hindi lahat punta sa akin, para hindi lahat ng cost. So parang there's a certain cost din na nililimit nila so that they will not be taxed.
Kumbaga, umiiwas sila sa red flag na, uy, ang dami nun Parang
Yes,
tax,
yes.
di ba? Tax. Tapos
Kasi hinaharang naman yun ng customs.
duties.
Correct. There's such a thing as when you bring in, there's such a thing as commercial quantity kasi.
Yung mga
So-
de minimis, yung mga ganon.
Oo.
oo.
So let's say, like what Boss Nino was saying, some people actually, they just buy a lot, they put it into a balikbayan box, scatter it into a balikbayan box with other personal items, and then you can easily ship it in. Kasi balikbayan box naman,
Exactly.
hindi naman siya, I mean, I know it's also being tracked by customs,
Yes.
pero normally kasi it's
Mas
usually
lenient.
kasi mga OFWs na
Yeah,
nagpapadala ng mga
Oo.
gamit sa mga pamilya, di ba? So, balikbayan boxes are a way. Or, say, shipping cart. Or, di ba, there are so many ways now to bring, I mean, I'm one of those that I shop. Let's say, I buy from Amazon. I send it to a friend's shipping cart kasi
Yeah.
ang liit
Yeah.
lang naman ang binibili ko, di ba? So, sasabay ko sa box
Pasabay.
niya. Pasabay.
Yeah.
Or, actually, if you look through Instagram, there is such a thing that, let's say, people in Canada or in the US, they have these sites na pasabay, they'll take photos at, say, Lululemon. For
Yeah.
example,
Yeah.
di ba? Kasi walang Lululemon dito. And then, you can ask them to buy it for you, and then they ship it in. They say, oh, basta it's arriving in a box.
Parang Jen,
Via ganito.
talamak yan din sa mga designer bags. Yung mga LV, ganyan.
Correct.
Yung
Yung
mga,
mga live selling, di ba? Yung pupunta sa outlet, tapos
Yeah.
pasabay. Oo.
Yeah, yeah,
Maraming ganon. So, I think it's also sometimes the distributor from the other region may not
Yeah.
even be aware that that's happening.
oo, for sure.
Kasi you can easily buy it from a store
Yeah.
where that they supply. Diba? So,
Well, the quick background lang. I know it was your idea, but why you guys? No, it's because kami ni King, the products you guys bring in,
Ginagamit
ginagamit
yan.
talaga namin.
Oo.
Shark helmets, yung Lobo bags ko, yung,
Cardo.
Sigura,
yung Jado,
sigura
yung Cardo,
Fury gun. Oo.
yung 40-year-old scooter ko.
Nakapiya.
Mahina yung ilaw eh. Kailangan talaga nakapiya, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung Desert X ko. So, that's actually the reason. And we appreciate and we know the kind of support you bring to the community. It's really a level above eh.
Oo.
So, that's why this is the group we picked to
Oo.
talk about it.
Okay, may mabigat akong tanong ngayon towards Jen kasi kaharap ko to. This is the Pia Auto Style horn.
okay.
Classic yan.
Oo.
Kinabahan ako sa mabigat na question.
ang ganda ng tunog nito, iba.
Yan ang
Pero
pinakasikat sa lahat.
ang daming Jen, ang dami kong nabalitaan na ganito, peke. Actually,
Yan ang nakakabit sa Desert X ko.
few years back, may tauhan ako sa car wash ko, bumili siya ng ganito. Pinagkumpara namin sa Origo na nakakabit sa kotse ko. Ang layo ng diferensya. Pero yung tunog, hardly distinguishable. Parang kung sa tunog ka babase.
Yeah.
But the quality of the busina
box
mismo,
and yeah.
alam mong peke eh. Now, question. What's the hardest part of your product being counterfeited?
Can I share? Ang daming peking OtterBox at saka
Oh,
pop socket.
yes! Oo nga
Yeah.
pala.
Yes.
Tama.
Oh,
So may
yes.
bumibili at pinapawarranty sa amin.
Wow!
Hindi nila alam eh.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
Okay.
Nakita nila sa Tiangge.
Yeah.
Correct.
They're like, okay, hindi naman nakasulat doon fake, pero it's like $100.
Yeah.
And then ipapawarranty kasi maganda yung warranty service namin.
Wait, taka lang bago kayo sumagot Pro tip. Kung yung cellphone nyo paluma na, bumili kayo ng ng OtterBox, mas mura na. yun yung pro tip.
Older
Kailangan
models
ko-
kasi.
iPhone 14 pa lang ako.
Yan,
Pwede.
mura na yan,
pa.
Jen.
Mura na yan. Meron
no?
pa ako niyan.
Okay.
Pro Max, 3 yung ganito ko, di pa gamit. Kasi mura eh.
Yeah.
Go. Yung yung peke, anong hardest part sa
The hardest part is it's not actually identifying it. Pero it's actually one of the hardest parts is actually having to explain to the customer na sorry, pero ang nabili ninyo peke. That's a first thing. I mean, we're in customer service. After sales comes with being a distributor. So, being in customer service is one of the most challenging parts of it. So it's to explain na you got the wrong thing.
And then the
Right?
damage to the brand, because this
Yes,
person
of course.
didn't buy it thinking, oh, this is a fake one. Diba? They bought it because
Yun
they
din.
saw the Pia logo and they know that Pia is
Yes.
Japanese and
Yes.
there's a whole heritage of
Yes.
racing and all these
Yes.
things behind it.
But the second most difficult part is having to communicate how it is different from how the real deal is different from the fake one. And then how to try to kind of make sure that people will be able to identify it. This is why we came out with
Yung holographic
markings.
seal.
Oo. So the first one, so when we encountered the first batch of auto style horn gray markets, or actually fakes. If
Yeah.
you want to talk fakes, the auto horn has a lot of we encountered fakes talaga with the auto horn. You can tell from the difference
Yung
in
box,
the
Jen.
physical.
Napagtabi nyo na ba yung box? Ang putla nung peke.
Oo, pero kasi yung
Paano mo
box,
alam?
Nakakita nga ako yung...
putla yung
Nakita ko.
mapusyaw,
Yeah,
mapusyaw yung color.
lighter blue, yeah.
Pero, syempre pwede mo sabihin, baka nabilad or whatever.
Ah.
But it's actually the actual product you should look at. The markings are different. Parang one is nakabaliktad, ganyan. So, to help the customer, syempre, we're all about bringing solutions to the customer. So, to help the customer, we came out with a hologram sticker with an actual QR code where you can scan and then you input information so that you can claim warranty down the line. Would you believe that? So that's the first thing that we did. Would you believe that people actually
Still copied the...
they copied the sticker?
Okay.
And we only found out because somebody came back to us to claim, and apparently when you scan it, it reflects one particular serial number over and over again.
Yun yung kinloan.
May na-clone. So may isang na-clone,
Oo.
di ba?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we had to kind of redo that. So that's all that. But also because we explained it to Pia, we're actually very grateful to Pia, to our principals, because they are very supportive when it comes to these. They try to help us, like, okay, what can we do? What can we do? So we actually came out with a sticker also here. You'll see the Pia sticker.
Oh, yes, yes.
So there's another sticker here to verify yung legitimacy of the product. So on our social media, you will always see constant communication of, buy only from authorized dealers.
Dealers.
And you have your
And how do
directory.
we don't post a full directory because that would be too tedious naman to post all the time. But we always encourage, send us a message.
Ang dami na.
Kasi it's a horn eh. Diba? So send us a message. We'll actually, or you can say, let's say you just found it on e-com, Lazada or Shopee, right? Send us the link. Then we can tell you na, oh yes, this is an authorized dealer.
Okay.
Kasi some of our dealers, of course, we can't avoid in the age of e-commerce shopping, online shopping, they also set up their own e-commerce shops.
Yeah.
And not all of them may be on Lazmall or Shopee Mall. So the best way is to tell us, communicate to us, hey, is this a legit shop? Then we can tell you that it is or not.
Hi, I'm Victor Anastasio of Comedy Manila. Are you looking for positive vibes and inspiration in your daily life? Di wag kang makinig sa podcast ko dahil baka mabwisit ka lang. Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio. Ano bang pinag-iisipan at pinapag-complainan ng isang komedyante? Ano ba ang isang stand-up comedian sa Pilipinas sa likod ng tabing ng entablado? Yan ang i-reveal natin sa Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio, produced by the Pod Network.
What about you guys? So let's educate the people watching and listening, no? How can they tell whether the product, Lobu, Cardo, came from an authorized dealer, came from, is one of the people you work with, one of your partners, or it's gray market?
Well-
Kasi with Pia, ito, may di ba? May sticker, you can message them.
So for us, we have a system with Cardo. So all the Philippine issued units we all have the information. We know the serial numbers. So anyone who tries to claim warranty, there's a master list of serial numbers for authorized Philippine
Same.
units. And I think if you got our recent message to we posted it, I think a couple of days ago, or we shared it to our dealer network already. One good feature with Cardo, with the new models that are coming out, the new units that were produced, you'll be activating it when you turn on your unit. And then that identifies where you activated it. Then Cardo can also assist us in identifying that non-Philippine Cardo may have been activated in the Philippines. Ganon. So, yeah. So they're also coming up with ways na parang if you do your research kasi and you look at yung benefit ng consumer for buying from authorized distributors, and you mentioned territory, di ba? If we don't give them the actual data from your territory, it kind of hinders the main brand also in improving that territory. Diba? Improving yung customer benefits for buying your products, improving product development. Like for example, this model really works in the Philippines. So we'll build around that. Diba? So ngayon, because of that system na may serial number lahat ng Cardo na authorized for the Philippines, we can keep track talaga na.
Yeah, pero before I'd have to already have bought the unit, right? To be able to check the serial number activated in the app. Before that point, like, how do I know I'm buying?
Oh, well, for us, we're not as massive as Gen pa when it comes to our dealer network. We have a directory talaga of our authorized dealers.
Same for us. So we are publishing and regularly updating whenever there are new dealers available. We are updating sa page namin. No, so and same thing with JC, yung sa Cardo. Same thing with Lobo. Lahat ng Philippine issued products merong serial number. So alam din sa headquarters na galing sa amin 'yon. So they can monitor at they share it with us. So alam namin kung ano yung talagang legit na sa Pilipinas talaga binenta.
Okay, so what do riders lose naman? So right now we're talking about your territory and how to spot the differences. And honestly, it comes out cheaper, right? Because they wouldn't sell it if it wasn't cheaper.
Yeah.
So what's the trade-off? What do you lose when you're buying something that's cheaper on Facebook Marketplace or Shopee? Well, I mean, Shopee, minsan, delikado. Diba?
I think
Facebook Marketplace may
for
disclaimer.
online yan, for the platforms, number one talaga, it's you wouldn't know whether you're going to receive the actual product
Yeah,
that you
that's
click.
one. Okay.
That's one.
Yung fear.
Second is syempre yung warranty. I mean, if you are getting it, most of the time you're getting it from Shopee or Lazada. Kasi sa amin, unlike kila Jen, for us, we really did not allow our dealers to have online shops because we told them that we would like to respect your territory. Kasi once nag-online ka kasi, it's like
Wala na.
nationwide na.
Oo.
So you'll be overlapping your territory. So we told them na no online shop so that you can keep your territory. So yun yung agreement namin, yun part ng dealership contract with our dealers, no? Pero yun nga, if it's coming from Shopee or Lazada, definitely it's coming from another country. It's either from China, from Thailand, from Malaysia. So doon nanggagaling talaga yung nagpapadala sa Pilipinas. You can see it naman eh. Although they have the PH on the name of the shop, then may nakalagay overseas, coming from overseas. So you would know.
It gets filtered naman eh.
You would know talaga, diba? So ganun yun. And even so ang nangyayari dyan ngayon, yes, meron pa rin yung mga bumibili, number of because it's cheaper. Pero you have no assurance whether you'll be getting the real product. May kulang, mali. I mean, there are compatibilities. Like for example, if you're going to buy a tank bag, you need to get the right tank ring for your motorcycle. So pagka mali yun, how difficult it is for you to return it and get a replacement for it.
Yeah.
It will be really difficult. Kasi I think these shops, they are small shops operating. They don't have the kind of customer service, after sales service that can take care of the returns. So ang laki na ng problema mo ngayon. That's one. Second is, sige, provided you got the real product. But what if there's a factory defect?
Yep.
Yes, it happens.
all the other big brands, kahit na ganong kalaki na, motor nga 'di ba? BMW motorcycle nagkakaroon ng problem eh.
And, and they also do recalls.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. So what more this product? So you wouldn't there is no naman such a thing as 100%, 'di ba?
Oo.
Like for example, per Piad, they have been here for the longest time. I'm sure from time to time meron. And but since you're getting it from the legitimate distributor, you'll get a warranty out of it. So same thing for us. We cannot offer a warranty if it didn't come from us.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think for us, when it comes to ako as a rider, what do I miss out? I think 3 words: peace of mind. I mean, parang you're already invested in a really nice motorcycle, di ba?
Yeah.
So, dapat when it comes not just to car though, di ba? Your helmet, your gear, di ba? Like recently, Doodle on Two Wheels posted that some people posing as that legit brand, di ba? Yung paling inserts niya na pads are fake, so it doesn't actually protect you. Di ba? So for me, cheaper, again, like what I mentioned at the start, cheaper price is not always cheaper cost eh. Kasi peace of mind is more valuable for us as a rider. Dahil, at the end of the day, you're not, hindi lang yung rider yung customer mo, yung family rin niya na may expectation na with all of the things na he got for his motorcycling hobby is part of his protection system.
Tsaka may pambili ka ng BMW, magsismuggle ka pa. Diba? Nakakahiya ka
O kaya,
naman.
nakatipid ka nga sa peke mo na Pia, busina, 1 week, 2 weeks, o kaya naulanan ka lang, ngungu na yung tunog, yari ka dyan. Bad trip yun.
What about you guys?
No, but I would agree with both of the guys. Kasi not just peace of mind, but you as a consumer, as a rider, then you don't get to have access to the correct information. Anything can be Googled nowadays, but then only the brand, the representative of the brand that you're buying can give you the correct information about the product because they should know best about it. So if may inquiry ka, kasi people contact us not just for after sales naman eh. Before they even buy it, why is there a chat? Diba? Why do we have a chat feature on our social media? Because so that people who are interested, our customers, they can ask the questions before they actually make a decision.
They're guided.
Right? They're guided yun. They're guided. Kasi we're here as distributors, we're here not just to sell a product, but as JC said, to sell an experience, to sell a solution. We always want to say that we sell a solution to our customers. And how can we give a solution if the customers don't reach us and they go to someone else?
Si Otterbox
diba?
ba iba may chat ba yung page?
Oo, may chat. Pero
Doon ako magrarant ng mga tungkol kay
Sabi ni Iba.
commerce is becoming more and more social. And that human interaction, actually, nakakatakot nga eh. I was looking through the last big sale ng Shopee. I think about 30% of the brands that I follow are now using AI
Yes.
live sellers.
wala na yung mga yung mga namamaos na live seller.
Wala na, pare. And ito yung nakakatawa. Ina-adjust nila yung AI para hindi sobrang maganda, hindi sobrang gwapo.
Yung
Medyo
mga-
chubby.
Para not too
medyo,
perfect.
Oo, ang galing. But my point is that I'm missing more and more that human connection. Na if I have I got a new bike and I want to get bags for it, will it fit?
Yeah.
I will go to the Lobo dealer.
Yeah.
Right? If I'm looking for a new helmet, ang hirap magsugal ng size eh.
Correct.
Diba? And I know JC has done hundreds of hours of training on cardo, on the different gear.
Yung
and he
shark-
can nerd out.
Yung shark na hati.
Diba?
Yung
And then
training.
I know that if I'm gonna install lights, which is an SOP for adventure bikes, diba? Na I can ask Jen, and they have an accredited dealer who can do the right installation
Yeah,
and
it's
still
important.
be under warranty.
Oo, mamaya,
important.
nakatipid ka nga, ang mura nga, tas nung in-install, mali yung positive at negative. Nasunog pa ECU mo.
It happens. Those kinds of horror stories really do happen.
Yeah. And parang something a lot of consumers miss out rin is they're thinking kasi na it's overpricing, it's expensive. But if you look at it, there's a global standard and we follow that.
Yeah,
Diba?
exactly.
So,
may Cardo Academy, di ba?
Yeah, Cardo University.
Cardo
diba?
University
Yeah,
that
and-
you had to log in,
Yep.
may exam, may
Yeah.
ano.
And parang for us, if you look at it, really supporting the authorized distributors and not going for the cheaper, sabi natin gray market, you're really looking at yung savings ba, is it worth compromising the quality of relationship with the brand? Diba? Kasi if you look at it, authorized distributors, dealers, they're building the structure for a long-term relationship with the customer. Usually, gray market, it's more of come and go na parang, uy, this is a hot selling item. Diba? So I'll make little margin, but diba?
Oo.
6
Benta
months.
in bulk.
Minsan 6 months down the road, wala na yung support
True.
Diba? So if you're
Naubos ka na yung mga binalikbayan box ko.
Yeah.
Okay. Close na.
Yeah. It's a-
Kumuta na ako. Parang
Oh,
tumarget
it's
na
a
ako.
transactional
right? For that,
relationship lang.
Yeah, okay.
Unlike us authorized distributors, diba, we talk about customer service, technical
Yeah.
support,
Warranty.
product training Cardo University is 2 days for one person to complete. Diba? Pero syempre, competitive ako. Ginawa ko in 1 day.
Wow.
Diba?
Okay.
Times 2 speed.
Yeah.
Okay guys, in one brief sentence, may papayo ba? Kasi lahat kayo natanong na namin ng tunay na rider question. No? Ganito na lang ngayon, yung pang-wrap up natin. In one sentence, anong may papayo nyo sa consumers natin? Jen, simulan mo.
So for people who some people actually come to us. I think one of the issues is that hindi ko naman alam na may exclusive distributor dito ganyan. Well, guys, sorry, in a time of social media, there's really no excuse
Yeah.
to not know. Because, okay, for example, for Pia, it's actually written on our social media title na official Philippine distributor. So there's really
yes.
no excuse for that. And all of the other pages, there's like our brand CTEC Philippines, Sonax Philippines, Sonax Experience Center, Little Trees Philippines. So we always make sure you discern also who you're talking to. Just because it's cheaper doesn't mean it's better. And like what JC said nga, you get what you pay for. I think that's what we also want to communicate there. You get what you pay for. So if you're getting it cheap, great. You know what? Good for you. You found a cheap source, but your source may not be the right source. So make
Right.
sure you're getting from the right places also. And again, there's a chat feature. I'm sure if you have the capacity to, let's say, own a car or own a bike, and you have the capacity to purchase, then I'm sure you have the capacity to also analyze, I guess, what's the real deal and what's not.
Yun.
Right? So, yun. And ang dami na nating pwedeng pagtanungan ngayon. Our communities are so huge. We may be sort of a newbie here in the motorcycle industry, but as I've learned in the past year, there's so many people that are interconnected. So, ang daming pwedeng tanungan.
Actually,
Pag
it's really interconnected.
pag-engot ka pa rin ngayon, kasalanan mo na yan. JC. JC, ikaw.
For me, if you look at it from one side, na supporting legitimate and authorized distributors is good for business, you're missing out on the other side. Kasi if you understand why we're actually doing this business, it's because we want the community and the rider community to grow. And supporting the legit and the authorized distributors allows that to happen. Kasi we're creating long-term relationships, we're researching on what's effective, we're improving on what we've done in the past. And yung continuous improvement, it fuels that na ikaw as a rider at the end of the day, 'di ba? Nagiging mas enriched yung experience mo. 'Di ba? Like mentioned earlier, 'di ba, na parang people right now, they're focused on what experience they'll get. And supporting the legit will give you that peace of mind na you'll get that experience.
Oh, Boss Nino.
Parang nasabi na nila pareho. Pwedeng copy-paste na lang. Okay, so, ano ba sabihin ko? Ayan, hindi na ako nakapag-isip. I think it's a motorcycle, Yung sinasabi ni GC na peace of mind. Parang, if you're going to put something on your motorcycle, you might as well get the legit because you can get the assurance that it is safe. Number one, it is safe. Parang you wouldn't want to compromise your safety when it
course.
comes to riding a motorcycle. So why would you get something that is fake or not supported by a warranty? I mean, you're spending, you're working hard for that hard-earned money na pinaghirapan mo yan. And then, pag binili mo, then later on malaman mo, you're not getting any kind of support. So it's really a total waste of time.
Sayang.
Sayang, di ba? So parang let's focus on getting the real deal so that we'll get the real value that we need, the right customer service, the right support, the peace of mind, and magiging masarap lalo ang journey natin in riding.
Yep.
Yun. All right. So, riding is already inherently risky. And the reason you buy lights, the reason you buy horns, the reason you buy those inflatable bags that protect your bike when you fall, the reason you buy a helmet, the reason you buy gloves, the reason you buy jackets, the reason you buy a car though, is to mitigate those risks.
Yes.
And you're gonna cheap out on that.
Yeah.
Oo,
Yeah.
parang dinagdagan mo lang yung risk sa ibang paraan.
Yo, so anyway, on that note, thank you so much for being on this episode. Thanks, Boss Nino, for coming up with the idea.
Thank you.
So, if you're gonna ride tunay, buy tunay.
Yeah.
Yon. All right.
Tunay na product
Tunay
para
na
sa
tunay.
tunay na rider.
Bagong tagline.
Cheers to
All
that.
right.
Cheers.
Thank you so much,
All right.
Lucky Yogurt.
Lucky yogurt.
Yogurt.
Ride hard, ride safe, ride tunay.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.